Hi, Squishy. Now look at that tumsy you have there. Little Squishy went off gallivanting way too soon. He's pregnant again. Before we can get you fixed, huh, Precious? We're gonna have to do something about that next time. Not gonna let you go off gallivanting. Now that Twy isn't here to mark our territory anymore. We're excited for your new little Preciouses. Are you excited? Got some cute old ones. Ooh! Is Squeaksy fighting with Bobo? Why are you attacking your mommy, Bobo? Remember, it's not the smartest decision. Hi, Squishy. Bobo. Hey, Bobo. Being so feisty. Oof. Not sure about this, Bobo. Might want to pick someone else to fight with. Right, Squeaksy? Oh dear, Bobo's coming back. Hi, Bobo. Squeaksy, Bobo wants you. Can you go up to your safe spot again? Okay, yes. Ah! Squeaky. Oh dear! Oh! It's not high enough, Precious. Little Bobo can reach you. Oof. Winsy, what did you find? Oh, you take that off the chair. It's not the usefulest. Hi, Winsy. Ooh. Oh, here's Tigsy. Come to steal it from you. Hi, Winsy. Little Winnie. Whew. Oh dear, what is Bobo into now? Hey, Bobo. Oh, you're always so feisty, little Bobo Baggins. It's a nice spot, Squishy. Nice spot, yes, Squishy. Hi, Bobo. Your little face is so cute. Cute little Bobo Baggins. You guys gotta keep them in line, okay? Oh boy.